Hey everyone!
Hi!
Okay, so we've mentioned several times in past skincare videos how facial massage is super good for your skin, right? Like we have all those rollers, we have the ice rollers, and it's just super good for your skin. But along with that, face yoga is a thing. Yes.
I did not know that this was a thing until Nora told me. And I was like, what? But then she made me do it, and it was actually kind of nice.
It makes sense. Facial yoga is almost the same as facial massage, if you ask me. But like instead of doing something like this or like this, you're kind of working internally out. You're like stretching your muscles, which is what you do in like regular yoga as well. You're stretching things out, and you become.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, that's how I do yoga. So we're gonna show you guys some moves that are gonna help you stay youthful. All right, the first one is for these damn lines.
These? The smile lines?
These damn lines, okay? So what you need to do is basically make an O shape with your mouth, okay? And then turn it into a smile. So what that does, it's like it doubles up. It helps this area and your neck area. Do you feel your neck working? Right? So you need to do this.
Like all of here.
Yeah, you need to do this for about like 5 minutes though. Are you?
Maybe you should do it like in front of a store window to people. To freak them out.
This is not funny, Ani. Take it seriously. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next. All right, the second one is for your crow's feet. Okay. Okay, so you know, like we get Botox for that area. Yeah. But since I'm pregnant, I can't get Botox, so I need to get my shit together and start doing my facial yoga every day. Okay, so you get your 2 fingers. Okay. And then you squint. And you pull back your eyes like this. And then what you do is do a half smile, a semi-blink. So you do a semi-blink. Whoa, I feel like my eyes are all over the place. Okay. And you have to do this for 5 minutes too. It's a freaking long time for you.
I feel like it's like you're just like using your superpowers to do stuff with your eyes.
But don't you feel like your muscles actually working?
I do feel them working.
Yeah. Okay, we're not actually gonna do it for 5 minutes for the video. But that basically gets all the things inside to circulate your blood flow, and it helps reduce fine lines, you guys.
Cool. I'm in.
One area that no one ever focuses on, I feel like, is the neck.
Yeah.
It gets forgotten. Yeah, we put all the moisturizer on our face. We put all the body lotion on our body.
But your neck is where your true age shows.
Forget your neck. Yeah. So this exercise is called the giraffe. What you need to do is with all 4, not all 4, but like your 4 fingers, stroke your neck, bring it all the way down to your collarbone. Okay. And then again, stroke all the way down to your collarbone and hold your fingers on your collarbone. Ani's falling asleep. That's what she does at yoga too, guys. So what you do is kind of like a half smile.
Ooh, yeah, I feel this one.
Yeah,
for sure.
What happens is it gets the muscles working around your neck.
Ooh.
You don't even need to repeat it.
I really feel it.
You don't even need to constantly repeat it. Just keep it smiled. Okay. That's number 3.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was impressed with that one.
You almost fell asleep.
I did.
All right, we did our crow's feet. We did the smile lines. We did our neck. Next up, biggest problem area ever, where you get Botox all the time.
Forehead?
Yes. All right, so what you need to do to help diminish fine lines is grab your 4 fingers and then push down your eyebrows. Okay. And then push up your forehead.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Like that. So basically you're resisting. It's like a resistance move.
I'm with the resistance.
Yeah.
It's a Star Wars film.
Because you know I was going to get that.
That's why I said it. Interesting. I feel that one too.
Yeah. So the main thing about all of this, you guys, is not just doing it one time. You need to be consistent about it for you to actually see change.
Yeah.
Okay?
This is something good you can do like at night when you get into bed.
Right when, instead of checking Instagram, okay, while you see all other people photoshopped with no wrinkles and say, why don't I have that skin? Okay, just put your phone down and start doing these exercises.
Or pull up this video on your phone and we'll do it with you.
There you go. All right, last but not least is
under eyes?
Yes. Under eyes and lifting like your
eyelids.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Yeah. So with your index fingers, grab it and put it like right under your eyes. Under your eyes.
Okay.
And then what you do is do the O shape again. And then just you got to blink really fast.
Oh yeah, I feel that.
Right?
These are really sexy moves to do in front of your partner, right?
How to lose a guy in 5 moves. All right.
But baby, I'm doing it to look better.
Yeah, you'll thank me later. Anyways, those are 5 face yoga moves, you guys, to basically get rid of fine lines and just prevent more lines from appearing.
It's face exercise.
It is face exercise. If you guys have any other moves or if you think we're crazy, leave it in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Bye.